There's an Easter thing here at Shangri-La. There's a creeper. It's an Easter thing sponsored by Minecraft. Look at it. There's an Easter thing here at Shangri-La. It's an Easter thing sponsored by Minecraft. Look at that. There's a bowl swim. It's not too rolly right now. It's a sheep. It's a dream. Oh shit, he's looking at me. Honestly, don't know what's happening here.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.